everyone, this is Robin with mypinkstamper.com, and I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. I am just popping in today to share my latest online class pre-order information with you. I know some of you have reached out and you'd like to know a little bit more about how my online classes work. So if you're in the United States, my classes are available to any of you. I ship everywhere in the United States. What you get in this online class, or what this class includes, is the Snowflake Wishes stamp set along with the dies that coordinate with that. This is all that you are paying for this class. You're only paying for these two items, and you get everything else you see free as a gift from me for signing up for my online class, along with a full online class video tutorial that I film, and I walk you through every project step by step, and you can watch that in the comfort of your own home anytime you'd like. You don't have to be at one location live at a certain time to watch that, which is the best part, I think, about my online classes. You're only paying for this bundle along with tax and shipping, and then you're also just paying for the class shipping fee, and that's once I cut everything out and I prep it and then I ship it to you. If you already own this bundle, you can switch it out. I also have 3 options that you can purchase this online class. The first option, I send you everything here, and then you can also switch this out if you own it already. The second option is I have a class host code, and you can order directly on my shopping page, shopmypinkstamper.com. You just need to order the amount that the class is for the retail, and then I'll ship you all of the supplies cut and ready to go and stamp and put together. And then the third option is you can join my team of pink stampers for $99, and you have access to all of my 275 online class video tutorials. And then for all of my current classes, you can purchase just the material pack only, and then you can order your own product from yourself with your discount. So those are the 3 different options I have. You need for this class, in addition to what you see here, you'll need a Balmy Blue ink pad, a Melon Mambo ink pad, and a black ink pad, along with a machine that you can use that works with our dies. I'm using the Stampin' Cut Emboss for my projects. Please reach out to me at mypinkstamper@gmail.com if you'd like the pre-order information. My online classes fill up within 2 to 4 business days, or 2 to 4 days, and they ship to you within 7 to 10 business days after I close the online class. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.